Okay, so we're going to start slowly working in our way into conversions, meaning like when you have so many inches, how many feet is that? When you have so many yards, how many miles, and vice versa. Okay, and what are equal to each other. And we've been working with equivalent ratios. So for this, it says match the puzzle pieces to the correct measurement conversion. Okay, so let's think about this. If we have a ruler equals 1 foot. Let's do ones that we know for sure. And we know what 1 foot is. 1 foot, well, we know 1 foot doesn't equal 5,280 feet. We know that 1 foot doesn't equal 3 feet. We know that, okay? We know that there are so many inches when you're thinking of a ruler. How many inches are in a ruler? So it's either 24 inches or 12 inches in a ruler. Okay? So if you're thinking about this, thinking, and I'm hoping you're thinking that there are 12 inches in a ruler. So that matches. Then you have 2 feet. Well, if 1 foot is 12 inches, so if you have 2 of those, that's like 12 plus 12, which is 24. Okay? So you would match that up. So now looking at what we have left, these are more of like the 1 mile and 1 yard, where you may know, just because if you do track, football, you may know that. Coach may have said it to you or something. But if not, on the next slide, we have our conversion table. And we're going to be looking at this section right here. Okay? And in this section right here, if you notice, we have 1 mile equals so many yards and 1 mile equals so many feet. So let's look. We have here 1 mile. Well, we have 5,280 feet or we have 3 feet. Okay, so let's look. 1 mile equals 5,280 feet. So 1 mile equals 5,280 feet. So that must mean that 1 yard equals 3 feet. So, and we matched them up and we're good to go.